Off a big victory in the Iowa caucus, Donald Trump is back in New York City for a second defamation trial. A jury will determine how much he owes the writer Carroll. In May, a jury awarded her $5 million after finding that Trump sexually abused her in 1996 and then defamed her. Trump left Iowa shortly after his victory speech last night and arrived in New York at about 3:30 this morning, just hours before heading over to federal court in Lower Manhattan. Jury selection begins today, and opening statements could take place this afternoon for what is essentially a second penalty phase. Eyewitness News reporter NJ Burkett live outside the federal courthouse in Lower Manhattan with more on this. NJ.
And that's right, Lauren. This is jury selection. Testimony here has yet to begin. They are selecting the 12 men and women who will hear this case. They will need to decide how much, if anything, Donald Trump will pay for defaming magazine columnist Carroll. Yes, the former president is here. His motorcade arrived here at federal court this morning. He has denied allegations that he sexually assaulted Ms. Carroll 30 years ago. But Trump went beyond that in mocking Ms. Carroll and impugning her motives. A jury ruled last year that Trump did assault Ms. Carroll and defamed her after she brought the allegations 4 years ago while he was still president. She claimed that Trump forced himself on her in a dressing room in Bergdorf Goodman back in the 1990s. The jury awarded her $5 million in damages. She is seeking at least $10 million more in this trial because the jury found that Trump defamed her on multiple occasions. There is a large pool of prospective jurors, Lauren. So far, several have been dismissed after they claimed that they could not be impartial in this case. Trial is expected to last about a week. The former president, as I said, is here. He says he will leave to go campaign in New Hampshire later this afternoon. He does say he will be back here to testify perhaps sometime later this week. We're live